Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something different. I'll be sharing with you guys what I have in my travel makeup bag. This is the bag that I use whenever I'm traveling. I have used it for a while because when I used to do freelance makeup work, I was a freelance makeup artist. So I used to use this bag for my gigs, but now I use it when I'm traveling. So I'll share with you guys what I carry. It might seem like much, but every time I feel like I've left something out. So it's a phenomena I can't explain. So we'll see. So for some order, I'll start with the tools that I'm using. So in here, I put my brushes, and it's like a whole bunch of brushes, if you can see. This one for contour, this one for cleaning up the eyebrows, you know, just a lot of different brushes. This brush, a fun brush for the highlight, and this one for contouring. So I keep all of them in here because it's easier to use. And then I have these two beauty blenders. So I have all my tools in one bag, so this makes it easier for me. And no matter where I go, even if I'm at a friend's, I have everything of mine, so I don't need to borrow anyone anything. Then inside I have now like my face stuff. I wanted to do like a face, eyes, lips, so it's easy to follow along. But inside here, I start with how I do my makeup. So I have a primer. I have two. This one, I don't know why I'm not throwing this thing away, but every time I press it, something comes out, so I'm not sure it's over, but I have a backup. And this is the Makeup Forever Step 1 Radiance Primer. So I have that. Then I have a Smashbox primer water that I use to prime and also to set my makeup. And then I have a strobe cream by MAC, and this one is for highlighting, and I think it's over, but it's not over until it stops removing something inside, so I am sticking to it. Then my foundation that has seen better days. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. I wear it in the shade 430. And then I have this Makeup Fix by Clarins that is like almost over, but yeah, so I use this to freshen up my makeup. And because it's 50 ml, so if you're traveling by air, you can have up to 100 ml of fluids, up to 1 liter. So I have this and I'm under. Then I have this powder, a setting powder. Okay, so we finished with the face, yeah? So then this is the setting powder. This is the Laura Mercier powder that I use to set. Then I have some palettes. So I have palettes. I think it's better to carry palettes like this than to carry single pieces. So for my eyeshadow, I have these two palettes. This is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, and it looks like this inside. And then I have the Morphe 35K that looks like this. So I dip in between the two, and you can create basically any look that you want with this palette. Then another eyeshadow palette I have is this NYX Fire palette that I bought because of this color, this red color, and it has a big mirror, so you know that one. So those are the palettes I have. And then this two, one is a contour kit. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the contour kit in medium tan. And then the glow kit in that glow. So I have those, and those are like my face stuff or face products. So when I have this, I know for sure I can create any look. Let me first rearrange it. Yes, so with that, I'm very sure that I can create any look that I want to create, and I have everything well kept. So I put back my brushes, and then we'll go through the sides one by one. So don't know where to start. Here? Yeah, let's start here. So on top here, this is the wrong side. On top here, I've got some eye pencils, an eyebrow pencil, and this is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. So this is the eyeliner, and also a Makeup Forever eyeliner. So I have this on one side, and then I have a lip liner. Which one is this? This is vintage. I think you guys have seen me use this before. So this vintage. Then this is my current mascara. This is Bad Girl Bang by Benefit Cosmetics. Then here I have an eye primer with the longest name. This is the MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour Extend Eye Base. I don't know why they didn't just call it an eye base. So yeah, so this is an eyeshadow primer. So that's what I have on this side. Then underneath here, I've got blush. So let me start with the blush. So I have this NARS blush, and this is Taj Mahal by NARS, right? Yes. And then I also have this MAC that I've used until the name has rubbed off, and this is the MAC Sweet as Cocoa. This is the blush that I use. And then there's this one by Body Shop that I can't find the name. So yeah, it's sort of like a sweet brown, soft brown, not a sweet brown, a soft brown. Then I have my face powder. This is the Sephora Micro Finish Powder. I wear it in deep number 60. This is what it looks like. Then for my highlight, other than having the ABH highlight, I also carry this one, my Fenty Beauty highlight, and this is Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. And then this is MAC's Gold Deposit. This is an oldie but goldie. Everyone who does makeup must have Gold Deposit. So that's the side for the powders. On this other side, I've got, let's start from the bottom. I've got this cinnamon. This is a Match Stick Skin Stick. Yes, by Fenty Beauty. It's cinnamon. I use it as a cream blush. So maybe it should go on this side, but that side is full. And then I have my concealers here. So this is Amand and this is Caramel, both by NARS. So I use this two to highlight under my eyes and my eyebrows, and then this one I also use it to clean out my eyebrows. This is the MAC NW40. Yes. And then I have a contour stick here that I like to use. This is by NYX. I use this side because the other side is too light for me. And then let's see. Oh yeah. And this is a little bit of MAC foundation. This is NC55. There's a time MAC was giving out testers, so I tested NC55, but I didn't like it enough to get a full bottle, so I use it like that. As we finish, on top here I have some lip products that I like to use. You've seen this, my lip balm, my expensive lip balm that I will never throw away until the day it ends. So I have this lip balm, and then I have lipsticks. So this one is like a gloss by Sephora. It has like a pinkish, soft pink finish. And then I have this one is Madison by Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is a hot pink, like a magenta. I know guys get confused with the shades of pink. And then we have Nemo, and this is by Huda Cosmetics, the Kenyan Huda, if I might add, there. And then last but definitely not least, my favorite, this is the Stunner Lip Paint in Uncensored by Fenty Beauty. So that's what I carry for my lipsticks. Oh wait. Of course, you must have a nude lipstick. So this is Taupe by MAC. that looks like that. So then I have a lip liner here. This is MAC's Red Cherry. Then I have some eyebrow products here. This is the Benefit Brow. It's a sort of gel. Yeah, it's no powder, gel. So that. And last but definitely not least, an eyebrow gel, just to set my eyebrows. I know there's some glitter things here. I think they're here by mistake, because heck, I don't use this. So yeah, looks like a lot, but when I have them, I feel confident. I can create any look I want, and I can feel like myself, even if I'm not like where all my makeup is. So I'm curious to know, do you guys travel with makeup? But I don't travel wearing makeup. Between carrying a baby, breastfeeding on board, I don't have time to make my eyebrows. So when I travel makeup free, but I always have my box, so in case I have any function, then I can just, you know, beat this face. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you stuck through this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, and be sure to subscribe. I'm like shutting down. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and until next time guys, bye bye.